Good morning all. Is the screen is visible and am I audible? Just confirm in the chat box. Okay, fine. Fine. So in last lecture we have seen what the composition function of one variable, right? And also we have started for two variables. So just we are going to continue with it for two variable, and also we are going to see what a different implicit differentiation, right? So we'll start with what the function of two variable. Fine. So this we have seen, which that is, suppose one function is given z equal to fxy, that means z will depend upon two variable x and y. Fine. Now x equal to, it's a function again phi of what? uv. Fine. And also a z, sorry, the y is also the function of what? Some uv. So this is the representation of that in terms of graphics, right? So just you need to write down what from that. As seen, we have in for one variable, right? For two variable, obviously the two variable will be having, that is del z by del v and del z by del u. So for both, from this, right, del z by del v. So what is that? Here you can write what? Del z by del x into dx by dv. Fine. And the another one is same one. So from that you can write down the equation same like that, del z by del u. Fine. So is there any problem in this? Is there any problem? Same as the previous one, just instead of one variable, two variables are there, nothing else, right? Is there any problem, anyone? Just write down into the chat box. Otherwise, if you are having, just raise your hand, right? Function of two variable. Okay, okay, fine. So we'll start with the example. The example one is what? Z equal to uv, obviously two functions, u equal to log x square plus y square and v equal to y by x. U and v, the values of two are given, right? Now show that, that means this is the given. Now you need to prove what? X into del z by del y minus y into del z by del x equal to 1 plus v square del z by del v. So from this equation, if we start with the LHS, suppose. So what we required? We require del z by del y and del z by del x. So we'll start with what? Del z by del x first. Fine. Okay. Del z by del x. So what should I suppose to write here? Del z by del x. Del z by del x. So that is what? Z. That depend upon what? Two variable, right? U and V. So what I supposed to write? Anyone? Any student having idea? Just same like the previous one, right? This is the equation of what? Del Z by del V and del Z by del U. Here also same variable is given, U and V. Fine. But here we want to find what? Del Z by del X. Because u and v are depend upon what? X and y. U and v are depend upon x and y. So we can write, see, if you are not having directly idea, so you can better to use a graph, right? So what? Z, u, v. First I'll explain, then you are supposed to raise your hand, right? I'll explain first. Z, u, v, and both are depend upon what? X. Fine. So what happen here? What we can write here? Del z by del x, if you want to write down for this. So first path is this and second path is this. So we are going to consider what? Both the path, right? So what we are supposed to write? Del z by del u, del z by del u into this u, right? So see, here u and v are depend upon what? Both variable x and y, right? So we can't write here. Here there is one variable also x and y. So they are going to depend upon both variable. So I need to write what? Del u by del x. right? Plus same way del z by del v into del v by del x. Okay. Now z is we are del z by del u. We don't know that what is z, right? So what we are supposed to write as it is del z into del u. Del u by del x. So u equal to log x square plus y square. So just partial differentiation of that with respect to x. So for log it will be what? 1 upon x square plus y square. Now with respect to x, we'll consider this part only. This y will be as a constant. So it is what? 2x plus del z by del v as it is, right? Del z by del v as it is, and dv by dx. V is whatever y by x. So what is the differentiation of that? Anyone? Y by x of this? Yes. Yeah. 25 number.
1 upon x.
1 upon x. Is it? See, v is y by x. You have to differentiate it with respect to what? X.
Hmm.
So you have to consider it what? X raised to minus 1. So what is the differentiation of this?
1 upon x square. Minus 1 upon x square.
Yes, minus 1 upon x square, and y is a constant, so that will be remain as it is. See, you are doing mistake here. Partial differentiation, make a practice of that, right? Right? So
Okay.
it is what? Yeah. Okay, you can mute yourself. Minus y by x square. Any doubt into this? Minus y by x square. Okay. Now what? This is del z by del x. Now you can see with del z by del x in LHS, we need to multiply it with what? Y. We need to multiply it with y. So we are doing this here only, y into del z by del x. Fine. We are multiplying it with y. Okay. Here x square plus y square. Yeah. So what is here? 2xy. I'll write this 2x first. 2xy upon x square plus y square, with that del z by del u plus plus minus, that will become a minus, so we'll go for minus only, right? So minus y square upon x square, and that is del z by del v. Okay, so this is, we can say, a first equation of LHS. We'll give a number to that. Okay, now we'll start with the second one, which we want in the LHS, that is del z by del y. I'll rub this del z by del y. So same way you can go as a x del z by del y. Right? So same way this is del z by del x. Now we want what? Del z by del y. So del z by del y is what? Any student? Del z by del y? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 46 number, you can unmute yourself. Yes.
Del z by du into
Okay, del z by du. Just a minute. Del z by du. Yes. Into
du by dy.
del u by del y. Yes.
Del u by del y.
Yes.
Plus
Plus.
del z by del y del v
Okay, plus del z by del v. Good. Into
del v
del
by
v
del
by
y.
del y. Okay.
Del y.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Fine. Now from that, z is we don't know, so we'll keep as it is del z by del u. Our u is what? Log x square plus y square, and with respect to y now. Okay. So obviously it is 1 upon x square plus y square. Here we have write 2x. So here it is what? 2y. Okay. 2y plus del z by del v. Anyone? Del z by del v we don't know, so we'll keep it as it is. Del z by del v. And what? Del v by del y. Now y by x with respect to y. So now y raised to what? 1, right? So 1 minus 1, 0. So at that time it will be 1 by x. Okay. So, and with del z by del y, we want x. So, we'll multiply with that x del z by del y equal to 2xy upon x square plus y square, right? X square plus y square plus del z by del v and x by x. So x's cancel out, right? So this is the thing. Okay. Now this is my equation number 2. So now what we are going to do? We want this, right? LHS. So we'll start with LHS. I'll write down here only. LHS equal to x del z by del y minus y del z by del x. Okay. So this is x. So this is equation 2. So this minus this. Okay. Here del z by del u. This is. Okay. So some portions are supposed to be cancelled out. Which one? This and this, I think. Del z by del u, yes, this, right? This minus this is supposed to be cancelled out. Now we'll write the remaining one, del z upon del v plus y square by x square. Here it is y square by x square into del z by del v. So del z by del v common and 1 plus x square, sorry, y square by x square. Now what we want, see, RHS del z by del v we got. Now 1 plus v square. So what? V equal to y by x. V equal to y by x. So that can be replaced here. Y by x whole square, right? So we can write what? Del z by del v into 1 plus v square, and that is our RHS. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt in this equation? Sorry, proof? Any doubt? Just write down in the comment box quickly. So we'll move for the another example. Okay, fine, fine. Example, next example. That is what? Suppose one function is given, z equal to fxy, x equal to e raised to u. This is important one, cos v, y equal to e raised to u sin v. So prove that. Okay, I'll write in that way. X into del z by del v plus y into del z by del u equal to e raised to 2u del z by del y. This is first proof, and second proof is also there. That is del z by del x square plus, just note down this example with me, right? Square equal to, sorry, equal to this video. Equal to e raised to minus 2u into del u by, sorry, del z by del u square plus del z by del v square. So this two proof you want to prove, right? Right. And given is this. So what is given? Solution to that, z equal to f of xy, x equal to e raised to u cos v, and y equal to e raised to u sin v. This is given, right? This thing. Now what we want first? First we want, suppose this we want to prove, x into del z by del v plus y into del z by del u. So first you need to find out what? Del z by del v. Same as the previous one. Del z by del u or del v, whatever, right? So del z by del v is what? Del z by del x into del x by del v plus del z by del y into del y by del v, right? Now we don't know z. So we'll keep it as it is, del z by del x into del x by del v. What is supposed to be there? Anyone? Del x by del v. X equal to e raised to u cos v with respect to v. So here e raised to u, right? So as it is constant, e raised to u as it is, that is constant. Now what of cos v? That is what? Minus sin v. So minus sin v. See here multiplication rule is not supposed to be applied because what? Here it's a u, e raised to u. So when we are doing partially differentiation, that is going to be as a constant, right? Plus del z by del y into del y by del v. Now y is what? E raised to u sin v. So e raised to u is there, and here differentiation with respect to v. So that remain as it is, e raised to u sin. So it's a cos v. Any doubt into this? Just write down into the chat box. Any doubt in this? Okay. So make a practice of when you apply a multiplication rule when some constants are supposed to be constant, right? Okay. Now what? Here what? Del z by del x into e raised to u sin v. So e raised to u sin v, that is my y. So I'll write what? Minus y into del z by del x, right? Del z by del x plus e raised to u cos v, that is x. So I'll write directly x del z by del y. Sorry, right? Now, okay, fine. Yeah. Now it's visible, screen. Screen is visible or not? Just a minute. I think it's okay, fine, fine. So where we are, this is what we need to find out what this, right? We want to prove this first one. So with del z del v, we will be having what? X, fine. So x into, so we'll write what? X into del z by del v. X into del z by del v. So how it is supposed to be there? Minus xy del z by del x plus x square del z by del y. Just a minute. Ma'am, I was having connection issue, so join late. Please do consider my. Okay, Poojan. Poojan noted down. Okay. So what happened into that? This is minus xy del z by del x. So just we have multiply it with x. Now second term is what? Del z by del u. So del z by del u equal to del z by del u, del z by, sorry, del z by del x into del x by del u. Just find out this del z by del y into del y by del u. So we don't know the z. So del z by del x as it is. Now del x by u, this is del x by del u. So e raised to u cos v. So now e raised to u is a function and cos v is what? Constant. So and e raised to u differentiation is e raised to u itself. Cos v is a constant. So we'll keep it as it is. Del z by del y. Now del y by del u here with respect to what? U. So sin v is a constant and e raised to u as it is sin v. Fine. So this is the thing. Now what we want? E raised to u cos v. So that is x. So we'll write that del z by del x into x. Some examples are there. In that one you have to put the value of u and v also, right? Then and then you will get your simplified form. E raised to u sin y, that is y. Okay. So this is my del z by del u. Now with that del z by del u, I am having y. So I will multiply it with that del z by del u equal to del z by del x into xy, fine, into xy plus y square and del z by del y. So this is my first equation we can say, and this is second. So if you are going to do the addition of this two, right, just do the addition of 1 and 2. See that you will do yourself addition of 1 and 2, then you will get the proof of 1. Okay, addition of simply 1 and 2. So this is supposed to be cancelled out, right, this term. Now this x square plus y square into del z by del y. So x square plus y square. So what you will do, this is x square and this is y square. So do this square of this. So cos square plus sin square 1 and e raised to 2 u, right? E raised to 2u. So that will be your first one. Fine. Any doubt in that? Just simple addition of 1 and 2. So that is your thing. Okay. Now second. Okay, fine. Now second is what? See, we are not going to do that one because that also you can do yourself. That's why I told you just what concept should be clear. So here also what square is there? Which square? Del z by del x square plus del z by del y square. Fine. So what do you in which way you will start? Just start with the RHS in that. The hint is what? Just start with the RHS and you will get your LHS, right? So this is the thing. You will go in that way. Okay. So we'll start with the, is there any doubt in this composite function of two variables? We have seen two examples which will cover most all of the thing, right? You can practice the example from book also, right? Extra. So now we'll move to what? Implicit differentiation. So first we'll see the definition of that one, right? Definition of implicit differentiation. So in that one, what happened? Fxy equal to c. That means one function is there and it is equal to c. This is some constant. So this is called a implicit function if implicit function. Okay, so what? Y is a function of x and c is a constant. This is called a implicit function, but when the y is a function of x and c is constant. Fine. So we can write what? We can write that dy by dx equal to, this is the definition, equal to, this is given, so you have to accept it, del f by del x minus it upon del f by del y. Simple. If there is a constant is there and y is a function of x, so this is called an implicit function, and definition is what? Dy by dx. Here it's not a del, here it is what? Dy by dx equal to minus del f by del x upon del f by del y. Simple, right? The definition of what? Implicit function. Okay. Now example is what? For that, the example is, suppose just a minute, one thing is given, that is x cube. In that way it is given like this, mostly all example, x cube plus y cube equal to 3axy, find dy by dx. Simply you need to find what? Dy by dx. So this is our fxy, right? So our fxy is what? Fxy equal to, ask Rosa to rename is given in format. Okay, please, whoever joined in the second meeting, right? Second time, just rename your name in formatting. X cube plus y cube minus 3xy. Fine. So in that, what we are going to do? Whatever equal to here, right? 3axy, that we are going to move this side. So our function is what? X cube plus y cube minus 3axy. Now, what is the definition of this implicit function? That is what? Dy by dx equal to minus del f by del x upon del f by del y. So just del f by del x. So this is my fxy. Do the partial differentiation with respect to x. So at that time, this containing x and this containing x. Others are remain constant. So for this, it is what? Minus sign as it is. We'll write for x cube, that is 3x square, right? Minus 3ay, okay, for this upon del f by del y. So at that time, this is supposed to be there and this is supposed to be there. So 3y square minus 3ax, right? 3ax. Now 3 will be common and that is supposed to be cancelled out. So I'll write what? Minus, this can be written as a what? This, if we cancel out this minus, so we can write what? Ay minus x square upon y square minus 3 cancel out, so ax. So this is my dy by dx. Simple example, right? This is my dy by dx. This is function is given. You have to find out what? According to just definition. Fine. So second example is, for that one is, they'll say, the fx is y log cos x equal to x log sin y. Find out dy by dx. Fine, find out dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to, according to definition, you need to go del f by del x upon del f by del y. Okay, anyone? Okay, this is function. So what I supposed to write for this? Fxy equal to y log of cos x minus x log of sin y. Now anyone for this del f by del x? Just raise your hand quickly, or I'll unmute a random, right? Because all are supposed to be answered. Okay, 38 number absent. Fine. 34. Mihir. Del f by del x. 34 Mihir. 34 number. Unmute yourself. Yeah, unmute. And just let me know the del f by del x. Yeah. And our x is that. Function is this, y log cos x minus x log sin y. Yeah, Yashvi. Yashvi. Yeah.
Minus y.
Okay. See, I'll write minus as it is, right? Now tell me y.
Minus 1 upon cos x.
Okay, okay. 1 upon cos x. Yes. That is for log, right? And then chain rule. Fine.
Yes.
For cos x, it is
Minus sin x.
Yeah, so minus we have right here, right? Okay, fine. Now for this.
Minus x log sin y का log sin y.
Yeah, because x for x it is 1 and log sin y is a constant, right? That's why. Okay, del f by del y.
Log cos x minus
Okay.
x
Log
for log sin y 1 upon sin y.
Okay, here sin y.
1 upon sin y.
Yeah.
For sin y cos y.
Cos y. Okay, fine, right? Okay, you can mute yourself. Now, so this is what? In that way, you are supposed to do the differentiation. And what? Just simplify this. Okay, sine upon cos, that is 10. Why? So y 10x. And this minus minus plus. So y 10x. Okay, this minus is a common. So this way also will go. So plus log sine y. Okay, upon this log cos x, log of cos x minus, this is cos by sine, so that is what? Cot, right? So this is what? Plus x cot y. Okay, so this is the thing. So next example, same, some difference is there only. That was asked, this example, just note it down, it was asked in a GTU exam. Cos x raised to y equal to sin y raised to x. Find out dy by dx. It was asked in 2014. Fine. So what happens when this type of thing is there? X raised to something, right? And y raised to something. So at that time, what we are doing? Take log both sides normally, right? So this can be what? Y log cos x equal to x log sin y. Fine. X log sin y. So my fxy would be what? Fxy would be y log cos x. Yeah, y log cos x minus x log sin y. Okay. So by taking log both the side and find out the fxy, so you can see that this is same as the previous one. Y log cos x minus x log sin y. So this is same as the previous one. Here they have directly given that y log cos x equal to x log sin y. Okay. But what happened? This is given and we have converted that into this form. So in that way you can solve. So it is same way as the previous one. Fine. Okay. Next one is u equal to tan inverse x by y, x square plus y square equal to a square. So find out du by dx. Here it's what? Du by, up till now it is dy by dx. Now we need to find out what? Du by dx. Fine. And u is given what? Tan inverse xy. Okay, tan inverse x by y. So how we are supposed to find out? First we'll find what? Here du by dx. So you can find out first what? First step is find out del u by del x. Because our definition of du by dx is what? Del f by del x and del f by del y. Fine. So for that, we need to find out first what? Del u by del x. Then we are supposed to find what? Del u by del y. So u is this tan inverse xy. So for tan inverse, it's what? 1 upon 1 plus x square by y square. With respect to x we are doing. So in that 1 by y. This we have seen in previous lecture, right? How to do this. Okay. See, if the meeting is in, you just continue with this example. That means you have to solve it your side, right? Okay. 1 upon y. So it is what? Y by x square plus y square. Fine. Now del u by del y. Del u by del y is what? 1 upon 1 plus x square by y square as it is. Now with respect to y, for this, with respect to y, so at that time it will be what? Minus x by y square. Y raised to minus 1 and all same way equal to minus x upon x square plus y square. Now fxy is given, that is what? X square plus y square minus a square. A square will come to the shift to the left side. Now dy by dx equal to minus del f by del x upon del f by del y. Fine. So what is the answer for this? Del f by del x and del f by del y. So from this, right, this is supposed to be cancelled out. So it is what? Minus, or you can say from this, right, del f by del x. This is minus 2x by 2y. So minus x by y. from this only, from fxy. So in that way you can find out what? All these three. Now our main equation for what? Du by